Hey guys, welcome back to Quarinteriors with Saket Sethi. Today I want to talk to you about books. I'm pretty obsessed with my books and I have all kinds of them, and I'm sure you have them as well. And today I want to talk about how we can get more out of our books by reading and also using them as visually interesting devices for our interiors. And the first thing I would do is try to classify them by kind and type. And so you've got different types like magazines and books and journals. But also you might want to classify where you want to use them, whether it's on a vertical surface or a horizontal surface. And so today I want to talk to you about how we can decorate using books. Here we are in my library, which is my favorite part of the room. And as you can see, the magazines are organized quite in a boring and super functional manner. But what I want to do with this is do a couple of different arrangements to show you what I usually do when I have different uses for the area, either design-wise, from a decorational point of view, or just functionally when I want to access books and magazines differently. So I'm going to stack these a little bit differently now. Visually already a little bit different, but we're going to make it more different now. So we've seen what we can do with magazine stacks, but what if we want to mix it up a little bit? And this is another thing that I usually do. There's another thing I like to do is combine little art pieces and curios with books and magazines. And there you have it. And here's your equally organized but more interesting design-oriented bookshelf. Another thing I like to do is move books to places where you don't usually keep them. One of the things I did in lockdown is to move all my chairs out, and I moved one of the chairs to the side and I'm stacking it with other interesting things. But I'm also bringing down the books of interest onto the chair in different stacks, and I refer to them very easily without going to the shelf. So this is another thing I do. So for example, all the books that I'm looking at for art that I want to read for the month are in this stack. And then these are some language and fitness related, which are in another stack. And some of the light and recreational reading that I do or want to do is in another stack. And some of the architecture and design reading that I want to do is another stack. And you can put it as you wish, and this becomes a sort of living design entity.